What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to add your Bullx wallet into your Phantom wallet. Now to do this, the process is really simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. Now to do this, the process is very simple. We will simply go to our wallet manager, and now once we're in our wallet manager, in order to add your Bullx wallet into your Phantom wallet, we need to have its private key. If you haven't saved the private key of your initial wallet, you can go and create a new one by clicking on this new icon right here. And if you now create this new wallet, you can go and download its private keys simply, and once you downloaded it, you can paste it in your Phantom wallet in order to add your current Bullx wallet. Now make sure that you save these keys somewhere safe. Simply click on this copy private keys option. Once you do that, make sure that you save it somewhere safe again, and once you do that, simply close it. Now that we have got our private keys, we can simply go to our Phantom wallet, and in our Phantom wallet, then go to top left corner, select add wallet, select import private key, name your wallet as Bullx, and now here in the private key paste your wallet. Now that your account address is found, simply click on add, and now that our wallet is added, you can access it by clicking on these icons right here and going into the settings. Well, that's how you can do it. I hope the video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.